This video is proudly recorded and produced on OpenBSD. Hey everybody, how's it going? Sorry I have been away for a very long time as I was so busy, even I couldn't create any videos about the donation that I have promised to the OpenBSD, and I kind of missed both February and March donation. So here we are. I'm going to stick to my promise and let's check the Patreon first. So as you can see, the total attempted charge was 80 euros and platform fees, etc. We have left with 65.36 and more or less similar stats for March, 66.01. So let's calculate how much would be in total. So 66.01 plus 65.36, right? Okay, 36, and we have it. We multiply it by 2, so we have 262.74. I rounded to 263. All right, so for this month, for these 2 months, February and March, my plan is actually to donate to the OpenBSD Foundation, as the donation side, as the donation actually amount is sizable compared to the January. So for this one, this is the official OpenBSD website. There is a OpenBSD Foundation and we can do the donation here. It has also PayPal for the euros. So what's the difference between this foundation and directly donating to the Theodorat? The difference is that this is the official foundation and the money goes in one place. I believe it has a committee or something, and then Theodorat or other developers, usually 1 or 2, can actually ask for budget for a particular project. So as you can see here, the OpenBSD Foundation exists as a place where donation can be made to further OpenBSD, OpenSSH and related software projects. And if you want more explanation about it, I highly recommend watching this video. Tom interviews Theodorat of the OpenBSD project. There is a section here about the OpenBSD Foundation, and let's listen it together here, and then after that we continue with the donation.
The foundation is a federally incorporated not-for-profit that receives donations, looks all official and everything. And then based upon requests from the development community, typically coming from me, but sometimes coming from 1 or 2 other developers, will provide financial assistance towards well-defined projects. Then they list those well-defined projects on their as their annual spend, and that makes it all official, so that money is...
All right, I think that's enough for now. So let's go through the donation process together. So we are going to donate in euros. And let's wait for the PayPal here. So what would be the amount? Would be 263 euros. So 263, donate with PayPal, and I have to log in. So let's wait for a while. Okay, so 263. I'm going to remove my bank details from here and then donate now. All right, so it's done. So thanks for donating 263 euro to the OpenBSD Foundation. That's all for this video. Have a great time. Bye. I would like to take a moment to thank Patreon contributors: Grog with $30 generous, Stellar Orbit with $20 generous, OpenBSD Maximalist, Alexander M, Hogarth Axcock, Monty, Russell Willis, and Seneca, OpenBSD Enthusiast, DM'd Liquid Mobius, and finally OpenBSD Curious, Ryan Woodford, and Sigter.